What's up, YouTube? Big Daddy here. Time for another food review. Today we're doing a food review collab with Freddie Foodie King. My brothers. Anyway, that's the best Freddie Foodie King imitation I got. The man is hilarious. He does great food reviews. He's most friendliest, most happy food reviewer, I think, on YouTube. You gotta go check out Freddie Foodie King and like his videos, subscribe to his videos, and just tell him Big Daddy sent you. So today, what are we doing? We're doing the recently, according to the email I got on Chew-Boom, recently brought back Mint Oreo Blizzard at Dairy Queen. Now, here's the weird part, okay? The Dairy Queen by my house, they got that thing on the menu. I mean, they've had it forever. So I don't know why it's brought back, but it never left, according to my Dairy Queen. But we're gonna review it anyways because I don't think I've had it. So, the Mint Oreo Blizzard, it's vanilla soft serve from Dairy Queen with mint and Oreo cookies. Oh, and by the way, got the mint mystery guest over here hacking up the mint mystery guest. We got the mystery guest over here hacking up along, helping us out. So here we go. This is the Mint Oreo Cookie Blizzard. Let's do this.
Maybe they brought it back to compete with the Shamrock Oreo.
You think? That could be. Because McDonald's has got the new Shamrock Shake McFlurry. So maybe they're doing something as a competitive move with McDonald's. But I don't ever consider Dairy Queen as a McDonald's competitor because they're sort of different food genres. McDonald's, fast food restaurant. Dairy Queen, dessert.
Not necessarily.
I mean, some Dairy Queens are fast food restaurants too, but for the most part, I still consider Dairy Queen the place you go to get ice cream after baseball games and after, you know, after dinner or whatever. You want to go get a nice Blizzard or a cone. Well, you never know. So what do I think of this Mint Oreo Blizzard? It's minty.
Wow.
It's minty. It's got a very subtle green tint to it. I don't know if you guys can see that. Probably not.
I don't know, drop it on your dashboard and find out.
That's true. I could let the dashboard taste it like it did the KFC donut glaze. By the way, as I was driving today, the mystery guest noticed that there's still donut glaze in my vent.
That's disgusting.
So, Freddie Foodie King, over on his channel, he's also going to be trying the Mint Oreo Blizzard. Telling you what he thinks.
Is it really minty? Or is it subtly minty?
I don't think it's really minty. I think it's just a very subtle kind of mint. You know, it's not like I'm not eating this going, ooh, I feel the mint cooling sensation. You know, it's just a little bit, you know. You want to taste with your spoon? No, okay.
I look cold.
What'd you get?
Cherry cheesecake.
Cherry cheesecake. Well, we're not reviewing that. So what do I think
You asked.
of the Mint Oreo Blizzard? I'm going to give this, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm going to give the Mint Oreo Blizzard an 8 out of 10. It's good. It's not my favorite Blizzard, but it's good. I like the crunchiness of the cookies. I like the mint flavor. Could be a little mintier. I would like to try this with chocolate ice cream, just because I like mint and chocolate. I think they go together. Maybe we'd give it more of a mint melt away kind of thing. But overall, 8 out of 10, not too bad. So that's pretty much it, guys. If you like this video, I want you to go over to Freddie Foodie King's channel and check out his video. Leave him some comments. Subscribe to his channel. Show him some love. Tell him Big Daddy sent you. And that's pretty much it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, tap that notifier bell so you know when the next video comes out. And remember, before you take the first bite, as always, you got to stuff it in your pie hole.